Hello, Ellen. I have for you short presentation, and I have here beautiful yarn kit for you, the last one I have in blue colors. So we have the main color I will show you. It's very beautiful light blue color. This will be our main color for the dress. The last grams that I have, this will be the main color. And also this bobbin, we will work with it. Everything for you. The main color. I have the first color. I have 400 grams. It's light blue color. Next one, a little bit darker, just a little bit. You can see it's very close. It will be very nice when we have several colors and step by step they are more intensive. So this one color number 100 grams. Okay, the third color is really perfect, and I have only this amount of this color, and it's perfect together with light blue. Just very slowly we are moving to more intensive colors. And the third color I have, I will tell you, this is number, yes, 26. We have 270 grams. Next we have this color. The last three cones I have, like this, it's also perfect. It's a little bit darker than this one. So the mix of all these colors is really incredible. And this is color number 4. We have 270 grams. And the last one, such incredible color. Also, the last cone I have, this will be the most intensive, and it's really perfect because you see, difference again is very, very small. So we are moving from this one, the main one, and these additional colors we should use to create motifs and also joinings. Also, about design, I will make for you additional video. Yes, this will be additional information. The last color is 240 grams. So in total, we have here 1280 grams, like this. It's more than you need for this dress, so be sure that you have enough blue colors for this dress. They are all unique, high quality, and this combination of colors I really love. So I'm sure you will create incredible dress, Ameli, from these colors. And it will be like this. We have yarn kit, also 20% discount. Next, I will create for you fabric pattern, and journal will be for free, journal with schemes. I will make for you several samples of motifs and also additional video about design of the dress by using these colors. And also right now we have 40% discount for digital crochet course about Dress Ameli at our Etsy shop. So you can order this course with 40% discount. So I will send you all information about payment for threads and for fabric pattern with shipping. Yes, and everything else, the digital course you can order at our Etsy store. Okay, thank you so much. And I want to say these colors are really beautiful together, and this is the last one I have in blue colors. So it's really nice that I have them for you for this dress, Amelie. It's really nice amount of threads for this beautiful dress. Thank you so much for your new order. I hope you will like this presentation. So I will wait for your answer. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching.